I'm sorry, I can't find the old me, the one you met all those years ago. I'm sorry, I can't be steady. I've been changing after all those nights alone. If I could think back to when we were younger, to when I changed my hair and changed my posture. Now you keep me around just so you don't feel lonely. And if I think freely, I wonder if you're ever really gonna know me. I wonder if you're ever really gonna know me. Stop trying to hold on forever. Stop trying to be alone together. Stop thinking you can make it better. Stop thinking you can make it better. Stop thinking you can make me better. Stop thinking you can make me Stop thinking you can make me Stop thinking you can make me better. You said all your life I told you so, and you scream into a pillow every time. I never needed you to love me, I just wanted you to take me places. Didn't need you to know me, just on a need and a basis. Open all your times of self-reflection. You never look back, that you don't feel about love. How I felt about that. This song is for you. When you're driving your car, and if you're listening now, hope you know who you are. I know you know who you are. I know you know who you are. I know you know. Stop trying to hold on forever. Stop thinking you can make it better. Stop thinking you can make it better. Stop thinking you can make it better. Stop thinking you can make me better. Stop thinking you can make me better. Stop thinking you can make me Stop thinking you can make me better.